guess it's probably the end of ceiling fan testing until I get this issue fixed, but it just broke. There wasn't even a fan on it, just this down rod, and then it just broke. Yeah, it just broke. So that's it for the indoor testing stand. We always have the outdoor testing stand. Let me just show you this. Yeah, you can see the wires that it broke right there. So yeah, that's it for the indoor testing stand, unless I find another piece of wood that I could screw onto there. So I'm not that sad because I have an outdoor one and plus floor testing fans is an option, but not with industrial fans. Yeah. Thanks for watching.